So, good evening. My name is Fikiransha Muhammad Natsir from Group 7. Here I want to explain and give some demonstration about our object-oriented programming final project. So, first thing first, I want to explain more about our project. The system that we built on is more about ride-hailing service system. So, which is like taxi online taxi transportation. That in the system we will have two main user or main stakeholder, which the first one is the customer and the second one is the driver. And also here, as we can see in the code, we have 5 classes. The first one is our main class, which is the order system, and the second is the driver, that consists of like the constructor of the driver, which here we have driver ID, driver name, driver phone number, and so on. And this is this function to set the constructor, and here we have the set and get function for those 3 string. And here the driver is tagged along with the vehicle. Like in usual, driver should have their own car. So here is the vehicle class that will consist of the function like constructor of the vehicle itself, like the vehicle identification number and the vehicle type. And then here is the customer class, which is consists of several constructor for the customer and some set and get function to set the constructor. And then here is the order class. So for the first, if we run the program, here as we can see, the system will display its first function, which is the welcoming section and the login section. As I mentioned before, we have 2 users, right? And then so for people who want to enter the system, they need to choose their role in the system, whether they are the driver or the customer who wants to make an order. So let's say if we go with the driver. Here we need to put our driver ID and driver phone number. And the format for the driver ID is like this: one alphabet and 3 number. And let's go with the D007 and type in the correct phone number, which is 08133 4 times. This is correct. Yeah. And if the login is successful, the system will display the select task, or select the use case of the driver, which is here we have 2. The first one is display profile, which if we click on it, it will display like the driver ID and driver name, driver phone number, and the driver's vehicle, which here is the Mazda Miata, and along with the vehicle identification number. And let's go with the second function, which is the order details. The last one is the exit program. I think we don't need to go with that. Okay, here for the order details, will be displaying the details of order that we take at the moment. But since now the driver is not having any order, so the system will display you don't have any order to be done at the moment. Okay, and then we will end the system, and let's go with the second user, which is the customer. Okay, for the customer, here I think a bit similar with the driver. First we need to input the username and the password or the credentials. Here we set the customer username with Felicia and the password is 123, and the login is successful. It will display 3 main function of the program for the customer, which is profile, order, and exit program. Let's go with the first, which is profile display. It will display the username and then user's name. And then let's go with the second function, which is the main function, the order. And here, if after we click on, we will need to will be displayed with the car type that the system provide with us. We have three cars. The first one is Mini Cooper, the second is Mercedes, and the third one is Mazda. And then, of course, the difference of the car make difference for the price as well. And so, but continue to ordering. Here we need to input some information for order. So here let's put it with my name and phone number and address. And here is the second info that need to be put on is the pickup destination. Let's set it with, let's say, KTDI. Where are we going today? School of Computing. And the distance is like 2 kilometers. And here's the car type that I want to choose. Let's say we go with the Mazda. And there you go. The system will generate an invoice that will display the name of the person that ordered, the passenger's order name, sorry, and then the phone number and pickup address and destination address, and then the total price based on the kilometers and car type. And then it will also assign with the driver that took the order. Here we have Hilman with along with the driver's ID and driver's car type and its vehicle number. And I think that's it for our system demonstration. And here we would like to end the system, so we press the N and keyword. So yeah, I think that's it for me. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.